In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an email template in Klaviyo. Once you are inside your Klaviyo account, start by looking at the left sidebar. This is where you will find most of the tools you use every day. Click on Content and then choose Templates. The Templates area is where Klaviyo stores your saved designs, so it is the best place to build a reusable email layout that you can come back to later. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click Create. This opens up the template creation options. When you see the choices, select Email, since we are building an email template, and then click Create again to confirm. After that, Klaviyo will bring you into the latest drag-and-drop editor. Now you are in the design interface, and the main area you see is the canvas. This is the space where your email will be built. On the side, you will see the editor sidebar with content blocks. Use that sidebar to drag elements directly onto the canvas. For example, drag an image block when you want a banner or product photo. Drag a text block when you need a headline, an announcement, or body copy. Drag a button block when you want a clear call to action, like sending people to a collection or a specific product page. As you place each block, keep your layout clean and easy to scan. A simple structure usually looks best on mobile. As you build, take a moment to check how everything looks on smaller screens. In the top right, click Preview and Test. This is where you can review the mobile view, spacing, and readability. Pay close attention to things like large images, long lines of text, and buttons that need enough room to tap comfortably. When you are happy with the design, click Done, and then Exit. Klaviyo saves your work automatically, and your new template will now appear in your templates list. From here, you can reuse it in future campaigns or flows without rebuilding the layout each time. And that is all there is to it.